Meet the Expert, a knowledge-sharing initiative of your knowledge partner, the Developing Bangladesh. We discuss on trade, investment, commerce, education, skills, economic development, global peace and prosperity, etc. issues. If you are interested to these issues, please subscribe to the channel. Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner, please subscribe now.
I've seen a lot of freelancers doesn't been much worried about timelines. Okay, they sometimes miss the deadlines because as you are an associate with a single company, so the seriousness of work is also quite less. So this is an important factor we have seen. I have seen in the freelancing world, and that is also people consider to as a drawback. Whenever they go for selecting a freelancer, that's a drawback. They say that freelancers are not serious. Okay, these are some of the things you would surely hear in the industry or in the world of freelancing. Freelancers are not serious. They don't deliver the work on time because you are not at the offline presence. You're not at the office. You're working anywhere. Okay, you basically, like a lot of freelancers, basically they. I am just stating this. I'm just stating this problems. I'm stating these drawbacks because I want you shouldn't repeat all this. Okay, these are some of the things which are industry practices, or these are some of the things which are happening in the industry, and we should ensure we are not repeating the same mistakes or we are not following the same path, because that will be like a blot. That will be like a blot in your career. Okay, if someone gives you a negative review and if someone starts talking about negative about you, then it will be quite difficult. So build up good reviews, build up good clients, because your good clients can be good referrals for you. Good clients can be good referrals, and good clients are going to help you to get, like, basically you can upsell your products. Okay, like if the client is with you forever, so the client be like a regular client for you, and that client can offer you good amount of lump sum money in the later run. So have and build up a good rapport with the clients, whichever clients you're serving, build up a good rapport and network with them. So that's quite important. Okay. Moving ahead, and also an important factor to share. Okay. In all this thing, if you find out, networking is quite important. Okay. Networking is something, basically you start connecting with people, you start making friends, you start building up your network, you start building up a influential people who are having who know you, and whom you can ask for barter, like whom you can ask to help you take up your services, and offer in return the money, or pay you in return. So building up a good network is an important factor, because that is going to help you, or that is going to be what I can say, a future source, a source of pipeline of projects. Okay, that is, I have an opportunity, I have an initiative running for freelancers, for people who are seeking jobs or internships. I have a group called as Never Miss Opportunities. Okay, maybe I will ask Joinal to share this on the description, maybe, or in some of maybe I will share the link with Joinal, so that it will be it can be put up in the description of the YouTube channel, where you guys can join this initiative. You guys can be a part of this WhatsApp group, and this I share projects from different clients. Okay, I share projects or internship request or internship or job request from different companies, or project request. Okay, and that's for completely free. Basically, I just want to help my co-freelancers. Okay, the people who are joining the freelancing community. I just want to do it. I'm just doing it for free. So if you are looking for some projects, you can join this group and you can stay tuned. So that's an free offering from my side. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Actually, today we have learned a lot on freelancing. So thank you very much for joining with us. And if I would like to summarize your total session, then you start with what is freelancing and the benefits of freelancing, or flexibility is there in freelancing. This is number one. Second one, you have rightly mentioned current trending skills in freelancing job. You have showed us 10 different skills which are currently demanding by the companies or by the clients, and which any person can learn this skill, and if they are competent enough, then they can get job. So after this skill, you have also said how to start with a portfolio development or a resume development. You have commented some very important requirement or recommendation. You have placed that network is important, punctuation is important, commitment is important. So everything. We have also showed us different sites where freelancing activities are posted, and anyone who would like to be a freelancer, they can develop their portfolio there, develop their resume there, and get freelancing tasks. You have also advised us what should be the rate, starting with the free activities, and to get referrals, everything you have covered. So I have some basic questions. For example, one is, these are all freelancing sites. If anyone think, yes, I can create my portfolio, how should I link this freelancing account with my bank account? How can I receive the money, I mean remuneration against my activity? So could you please have a light on this particular issue?
Surely. So basically what happens is that once you sign up in profile, or once you create a profile, or once you sign up for a particular profile, create an account in a freelancing website, there would be an option to share your payment details. Like if you like most of the things, they basically link it with PayPal, okay, or else they will ask your bank account details. Okay. And once you are done with your job, the client pays on the freelancing site. Okay. Out of that, the freelancing site deduction commission, and thereafter, basically, ideally it takes 3 to 7 days to transport the amount from the client to the freelancer. So there would be an option to put down your payment details. There would be an option to put down your transaction ID on all the bank account details. So once you sign up the profile, so this is like a step in the sign up process.
Another counter question, you have mentioned that PayPal, but as you know, PayPal is not available in every country. For example, Bangladesh, PayPal is don't have any branch. They don't have any offices here. So how one Bangladeshi freelancer can connect with a PayPal account, and how this PayPal account could be connected with his bank account? Do you have any mechanism for doing freelancing without PayPal account?
Yeah. So, okay. So basically, if you don't have a PayPal account, maybe if you have a bank account, okay, if you have just a normal bank account. So as I mentioned, so I have already, so if you have went through the document, or if you have went through the presentation, I had shared couple of ways, okay, couple of ways to fetch jobs or fetch projects. So the objective is that once you start creating a portfolio, you have to look out for projects. Once you look out for projects, then the next step is you complete the project, you deliver the project, you get the payment, done. So the one way to get the one way to fetch projects is the freelancing sites. So some of the freelancing sites may require you to get a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't use it. Maybe you don't have to use that freelancing site. You can use for a different freelancing site. So this is one way. So going through the freelancing sites is one way to get projects. There are other ways as well. As I mentioned, another way is being part of communities. Like if you have joined up in club. For example, I will just give an example on how clubs are helpful. So, like for example, I am a part of a social club called as Robin Hood Army. So this is like a very popular NGO. I can't say it's an NGO. It's like a social organization where the objective is to collect the excess food from restaurants and collect the excess food from marriage functions. Okay, and we distribute it in the people who are hungry. So I am part of this organization for a while. Like I've been part of this organization for a couple of years, and I know like along with me there are others as well who are part of this social organization. So I have a connection of around 100 people who are part of this thing. And whenever we go have a social meetups, like when we have some active meetups, this is a Robinhood meetup. And whenever we go there, we network with people. So I say, yeah, I am a freelance marketer. Okay, I am Aswini, I am a freelance marketer. And if you need any help regarding marketing, you can approach. So there you build up the network. Okay, so there you build up in connection. Okay, your immediate connection can be a family and friends. Start looking out for projects from your family and friends. If you are if you are an accounting, if you have some good knowledge of accounting and bookkeeping, start maintaining the audits, start maintaining the maybe the what I can say, bills of the businesses happening around your family. Like if one of your uncle is having a restaurant business, or if one of your uncle is into grocery business, so you can offer them uncle, I have a good knowledge about accounting and bookkeeping. You can hire me as a freelancer and pay me. So start looking from projects from your family and friends. Okay, so that's the first step you can do. You don't have to rely on freelancing sites always, because as I mentioned, they charge you in commission. And if you are looking for projects on your own, so you are saving up the commission cost. Generally, they charge in commission from 5 to 10%. Ideally, sometimes it also goes up.
Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner. We take care of trade and investment, education and skills, economic diplomacy and economic development. If you would like to keep you updated on these issues, please subscribe to Developing Bangladesh. Thank you very much for watching till the last.